back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. Today I am back, y'all. I am back with a little makeup look, and then I'm back with a glueless wig install. And if you would love to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. I'm over here like, what better way to feel better? And that's just literally by getting myself together. I'm literally gonna drag my husband to go do something today because your girl just needs to get out and do something, okay? I'm just starting off by taking a stocking cap, and I have this is how they look. Two comes in a pack, and I got the color beige. The reason I like to get beige is because I like to change the color. So I'm just gonna take this NARS foundation, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on this flat buffer brush, and I'm just gonna take it to match the color. I was going to do like a ball cap and everything, but for this look I really don't think I need to. So it really makes a difference if you slick all your edges up. So I do have braids underneath here, and I'm just going to take my Shine and Jam. This usually helps to push my hair back and just slick it all together. So I'm gonna just slick that up. I'm taking a little brush to get that together. I'm still debating if I'm gonna do, I think that I'm just gonna do like a natural. I don't think I'm gonna do baby hairs, so. And then I'm just going to slick everything. And then I'm gonna push my stocking cap to like right here. I'm gonna take this 5x5 closure I had this for like a year, so it's starting to like shed and stuff. I need to get a new one, but for now this is gonna have to do. And then I did bleach the knots, and I did tie the two hooks together in the back. And then I'm just going to go over with that same foundation and brush and just match everything just so it can look so realistic. This is how it is looking. I did pluck it a little bit. I'm gonna take my Ebin spray, and this is the black can. This is the Supreme Extreme Hold. And what I'm gonna do is spray. I'm gonna spray where I'm putting my wig on. So it's 5x5, so it stops like right here on my temples. I'm going to place my wig on, and I'm going to take the two attached and just make sure I get all the flyaways. Sometimes like hair gets, I'm gonna clear all. Let me just brush this back. I'm gonna place this down. It's already sticking so good. And I'm just gonna spray it. Along the hairline, well, yeah, spray along the hairline. And then I'm just going to comb back any flyaways, and I'm taking my rat tail comb. It is just melting so nice, but I'm also gonna take that blow dryer again. Ooh, put it on low. I'm just gonna melt that in. gonna go in with my part a little bit, and I just want to make it a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow and just blend that. Blend that in. Yeah, look at how natural that looks. So I'm gonna just tie it down a little bit just for some extra you know, some little extra lay down. I do want to do my makeup right now. So I'm gonna do my makeup, and then if you see me looking down, I may or may not be trying to do a TikTok, so yeah. Once I feel that is tacky, then I can move on and apply my foundation. Don't judge me, my brushes are dirty. But I'm just gonna, I like to take my foundation on a pan, and then I just apply as much I think I need. This foundation is super full coverage, so I just take a little goes a long way with this foundation. Yeah, but that's up to you. But I love like the skin like finishes, so I tend to just take a little bit. And then I'm just gonna be pressing this into my skin as well, just like I do the, damn, who blowing me up? Just like how I do the primer. For the NARS Mini, I'm gonna take this color in Caramel. This one, I really could just put this on with this brush, but sometimes the other ones are too big. So I'm gonna go in and place these on the outer parts of my eye. I'm gonna take a brush and I'm just gonna apply where I want the concealer to be, because sometimes it could get a little out of control. I take the e.l.f. concealer, and this is the hydrating in Deep Olive. Then I'm just gonna take that shade on a brush, and I'm just going to place that in the middle of my concealer. I'm just gonna place some on my forehead. You can see it's just more controlled when you put it on with a brush rather than just going in, because honestly less is more. Over the years I have learned that. Then I also like to just take that to brighten that down my cupid's bow. I cannot talk today. Yeah, because we just want all those places to hit. Bring that light back in our face. Now I like to go on with this Juvia stick. Ugh, I love it. This is in the shade Zambia. It is bomb. It's so creamy. It does what I need it to do. Now I'm gonna go with my Morphe Spray, and I just like to spray that before I start blending everything in. That foundation brush, I don't know if I mentioned it. I love Real Techniques products, so I'm just going to. This is the Real Techniques expert brush. A cheek brush. And y'all, I haven't done a makeup video in so long. I'm like, well, what am I using? But yeah, I'm just gonna go a little bit in on my forehead just because we have that wig on. You don't want to do too much up there. And yeah, I'm just going to blend that. And for my nose, I'm just going to take this blending brush. And this is like from Coastal Scents. This brush is so old. And I'm just going to blend in my nose, giving myself a little nose job. And I'm going to blend that into my brows. That's the key here to get that snatched look. Now I'm going to take my Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm just going to blend. Do what you think is comfortable. Sometimes I go in with the brush. Sometimes I go with a beauty blender, but I always definitely go in with my brush, and I just like to blend out these edges first of that concealer. As you can see, like the top here is still not blended out. I like to blend in this part first. And then, so blend everything else out first. Go down the bridge of my nose lightly. You see how it's just blending in so nicely? Like, look at this. Just like to go back over with my brush, because you just will have like that, you want it to look blended. You just don't want to look like concealer, foundation, contour. Like, no, let it just let it just, whatever that was. And y'all, I picked up the Huda Beauty. Why y'all ain't telling me I was sleeping on this? I was definitely asleep. It is so bomb. I got the shade Blondie. I love it. And then I'll just take my puffer. Go on my Amazon storefront. I have these puffies that I use. The link will be down in the description. And I just like to literally tap. Push it in and tap. I'm gonna go on the sides of my nose as well. And I'm just gonna place that everywhere I put the concealer. I mean, everywhere. My nose, my mouth. And then I like to drag it into my brows. Okay, that was a little bit too much powder. I'm gonna go with the Juvia's Warrior 2 palette. And I love to take these. I did not switch up. I still like to take these two to bronze up my face. The new blush that I've been using is the Juvia's. I love it. This is, what is this? Volume 4. So pretty. I mainly take this color with like a little bit of that color. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It is so pigmented. Like, but I just love it. Like, look how blush just ties everything in, child. Woo! Love it. I am gonna go in with that brown and just that I contour my nose with, and I'm just gonna take that here, and then I'm just gonna take that in my crease. And on my eyelids, I just want to do like a little hint of something, nothing too crazy today. Now I'm gonna take another setting brush. I'm literally pushing it in, not swiping it. I'm gonna give myself another spray. And I'm gonna go with my Sephora Micro Smooth. To the girlies who are just discovering this, where have y'all been? Because yeah, that explains it. I am just going to set everything in place, and it really does give you a micro smooth finish. I'm going to go over everything I did, lightly going over my under eye because I don't want to take away that brightness. So I'm about to pack this mascara on, y'all. We about to look like we got on some lash extensions. And I picked up these new Ruby Kisses butter glosses. So pretty. This is like a pink one, and it is called like a Virgin. And this is like a tannish pink one, and it's called White Lie. Love them. I'm gonna take the tan one. Then I'm gonna take the like a Virgin. And the final look, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.